Drive in style this pre-owned 2019 Ford. This Ford has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in very good overall condition and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
We'll see you soon.